Hi, I'm Daniel. Today I will explain the process of cellular respiration for my biology honors class. First is glycolysis, which is the splitting of sugar. This takes place in the cytoplasm of a cell. It is anaerobic, meaning it requires no oxygen. At the beginning of glycolysis, two molecules of ATP break down glucose into two G3P molecules. Then, in the energy payoff phase, the G3P is converted to pyruvate. Meanwhile, the cell gains energy from ATP and NADH. Glucose was put into the process, and the products were two NADH, ATP, and pyruvate molecules. The NADH will be used for anything the cell needs, the ATP will go to the electron transport chain, and the pyruvate will go toward the Krebs cycle. The Krebs cycle takes place in the matrix of the mitochondria. This cycle is aerobic, meaning it requires oxygen. The transition step leading to the Krebs cycle is when two pyruvate molecules are converted to acetyl-CoA. Then, it combines with oxaloacetate to form citrate. Also, CO2 is released during the transition step to exit into the bloodstream. During the Krebs cycle, citrate undergoes multiple reactions, eventually converted back to oxaloacetate. During the reactions, energy is released in multiple forms. 6 CO2 molecules are released to be breathed out, 8 NADH and 2 FADH molecules are released into the electron transport chain, and 2 ATP molecules are generated to go anywhere the cell needs. After the Krebs cycle is the electron transport chain. The ETC is located in the inner membrane of the mitochondria. High-energy electrons such as NADH and FADH are moved throughout the ETC. As electrons move, the protein complexes use the energy lost by the electrons to pump H+ ions into the intermembrane space. The ATP synthase helps with this by changing ADP and a phosphate into ATP. ATP synthase also transports the H+ ions across the membrane. At the end of the ETC, the electrons are accepted by oxygen, forming water. Oxygen is the final electron acceptor, very important for the continued flow of electrons into the ETC. Through cellular respiration, the total amount of ATP produced is 36 ATP molecules. 32 come from the ETC, with 2 coming from both glycolysis and the Krebs cycle. After all of these processes, cellular respiration is completed. A special thanks to my partners on this project, Abby and London. They helped with the research and art for this video project. Thank you for watching.